guys, welcome back to Falcon TV, and today we'll be showing you on how to install the 08X steering damper. Firstly, we need to remove the grub screw over here, and there's one more on the opposite side. We take a size 2.5 Allen key and remove it. Don't forget to remove the other side too. Look like this when it comes out. And the screw hole will be looking like this. For the steering damper assembly, alright, will come with this U-shaped bracket, this block, the deck bracket, and of course the damper itself. We go ahead and attach these two together. As such, if it's wrong, it will not fit properly. The screw holes match. We take this screw and go ahead and tighten it. It will look like this. So we take this completed piece over to the front as such, and on our left hand side of the 08X we'll have a longer screw with the washer. You can screw this in. If you notice that the screw is a bit tight, it's okay, because previously from factory they have actually put a Loctite in the thread hole, so just go ahead and screw. The other side will come with the same size, just that it's shorter with the washer. You can go ahead and tighten this part fully. You also have to take note, this hole also has Loctite from factory, so it will be a bit tight on your initial screwing. Once this is done, this must be very tight. Then we can go ahead. We have tightened the other side of the screw. Now we go ahead and fully tighten this part. Give it a good twist and tight. Once this is tightened, you have to ensure that the U bracket over here sits flush with the bearing cap. Alright, here, and also this block doesn't interfere with your steering as such. Now we can go ahead and install the bracket on the deck. Firstly, we need to remove the grip tape. If it's a brand new set, it will come off easily. And it will reveal screw holes. Also for the other side. Now on this, this part of the triangle will be facing you. We place it down and use a marker to mark on the place that doesn't have the hole, as such. Once that's done, we remove this, you'll notice that we need to drill this hole, and this hole is already done. So we can go ahead and drill. It is advisable to remove all your deck screws and remove your deck so that we are not worried on drilling any of our electrical components such as our batteries or wiring. Once we have marked, we can ascertain that the drilling portion will be here. So we can go ahead and drill it now. On this red bracket, make sure it is aligned nicely and you can see a 90-degree angle over here. For the drill bit size, we'll be using a 4.5 mm. And we can go ahead and drill now. Once the drilling is complete, right, we take a slightly bigger drill bit and twist it with our hand to deburr the rough edges out. Same thing with the other side. This is important as to ensure the deck will sit flush. Once we have drilled this, alright, we can go ahead and put the deck back and all the screws back on. Once we have mounted the deck, make sure all the screws are in, and we can go ahead and use the same drill bit just now and drill a hole here. Once the drilling is complete, we need to tap. We'll be going to tap a size M5. Go. Okay, I can pause. Once we have drilled, we have tapped, we now are prepared to put the bracket on. Firstly, remove this screw as it is not needed. We have 2 screw holes, just nice for the bracket. We can go ahead and mount it on. We can go ahead and cover back with the grip tape. One on each side. As such. Alright, so how do we know where are the holes that we drill? Alright, we simply take a small Allen key, alright, poke it and poke it. There you go. Okay, pause. Now comes the installation for the deck bracket. It will come with an M5 screw, spring washer and a flat washer. Please do take note on the sequence. You can go ahead and screw it in using a size 4 Allen key. Same thing. screw, spring washer, flat washer. Okay, resume. You can go ahead and tighten both. Alright, perfect. 90-degree angle, and it looks good. Finally, we can go ahead and install our damper itself. How to position this? Equal length on both sides. Alright, rounded end will be on the deck. This end will be on the U-shaped mount. We take the huge screws, tighten this. The other one outwards. And don't forget the nut. We will provide you a nylon lock nut on this end. Tighten it. Fully tighten this part. And our installation is complete. Oh. Okay, to set intensity for your steering damper, the golden knob here, turn it left and right as per desired strength. And it will turn up like this on the right and on the left.